Hi, good day. Welcome to Computer Mate. OBS Studio is one of the best recording softwares. It's a free and open source software in which you can record your screen, window, browser, games and everything. But it has one limitation. You can't record an exclusive audio in OBS Studio. You can only record your voice as part of a video and it will be saved as a video format file only. But if you want to separate the audio from the video clip, you can do that, and it's very easy. For that, you need a converting software. The software I use is Format Factory. Format Factory is also an open source program which you can download and install on your computer for free. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a video recorded in OBS Studio to an audio format. I will record the video in MP4 format and convert that to MP3 format, so you can separate the audio from the video. In order to do that, let me record a small sample video. So here we go. Hi, I am recording a video on OBS Studio. To change it to an audio using Format Factory, blah 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 blah, stop. This clip is saved on my desktop, and let me show you how it looks like. Let me play it for you. Hi, I am recording a video on OBS Studio. To change it to an audio using Format Factory, blah 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 blah, stop. Well, now let me open Format Factory. This is a user interface of Format Factory. This is the video section, and let me go to the audio section and open it. You have all this bunch of various audio formats available. So let me choose MP3. Here in the bottom you can choose your folder where you can save your works. Here in this box, and you can ignore all other settings unless you want to specify your custom choices, like your audio channel here, whether it should be stereo or mono, etc. Okay, let's leave that and let's import the file. And to do that, you click this plus sign and add file button. So our video clip is here. Now you hit this button. Okay, and it is featured in the timeline now. Now let me hit this button, start. Now it is working. See, it is completed now. Now let us listen to the voice. Hi, I am recording a video on OBS Studio. To change it to an audio using Format Factory, blah 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 blah, stop. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope the video was useful to you. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and give your comments if you have any. Before you leave, please subscribe the channel and see you in next video.